CompTIA Tech Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 6.3, Explain Password Best Practices. Passwords serve as a primary method of authentication, but surprisingly, many individuals often overlook their significance. Some might attribute this to complacency, while others simply might not be aware of the importance. Fortunately, there are established password policies and best practices that guide users in creating robust passwords, thus ensuring enhanced protection for both personal and professional data in our digital landscape. First and foremost, why are good password practices so essential? Think of passwords as the keys to your digital home. Just as you wouldn't want a flimsy lock on your front door, you wouldn't want a weak password guarding your personal and professional data. Strong password practices ensure that your digital doors remain locked against potential intruders. Now, let's look into some key password policies, which are designed to fortify our digital security. To kick things off, I will start with a well-known policy, the password length policy. This policy is an uncomplicated yet vital aspect of digital security. At its essence, this policy determines the minimum and maximum number of characters that a password should contain. Picture this in terms of a physical safe. Just as a safe might have a combination code of varying lengths, a password has its own length criteria. The analogy runs deeper when you consider the security implications. For a safe, a longer combination, with more numbers or sequences to guess, naturally becomes more challenging for a thief to decipher. Similarly, in the digital realm, a longer password inherently possesses more potential combinations of characters. This increased variability makes it exponentially harder for malicious actors to guess or use brute force attack methods against your password. Then there's the password complexity policy. This policy emphasizes the need for a diverse mix of characters in your password. It recommends using a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Such a varied composition not only ensures your password's uniqueness but also strengthens its defense against typical hacking methods. A password with this mix is much harder for hackers to guess or breach using brute force techniques. It's also crucial to avoid using dictionary words in your password, regardless of their length. Hackers often use dictionary attacks, where they methodically test every dictionary word to decipher passwords. By incorporating a variety of character types and steering clear of standard dictionary words, you substantially lower the chances of falling victim to these attacks. Next, we have the password history policy. This policy's primary objective is to deter users from reusing their recent passwords. By monitoring and remembering your past passwords, the system can ensure that when you're prompted to update your password, you're guided towards crafting a new and unique one. This proactive approach to password management is designed for mitigating risks. For example, if an old password was ever compromised, ensuring it's not reused eliminates the chance of that particular password being a recurring security weak point. In a nutshell, the password history policy serves as a protective measure, encouraging users to consistently renew their passwords, thereby enhancing their overall digital security. Now, our next policy, the password expiration policy, complements the previously discussed password history policy by setting an expiration date on your passwords, ensuring they don't remain static for too long. By doing so, it mandates users to refresh their passwords at predetermined intervals or on a certain date. Imagine this as a routine maintenance check. Just as machinery or software might need regular updates to function optimally, your passwords require periodic changes to remain effective against potential threats. This consistent cycle of change reduces the window of opportunity for malicious actors to exploit a possibly compromised password. In essence, the password expiration policy acts as a proactive nudge, reminding users to stay vigilant and continually reinforce their digital barriers. And adding one more to our list of essential password policies, let's discuss the password lockout policy. Ever mistyped your password several times and got locked out of your account? That's this policy at work. The primary purpose of the password lockout policy is to hinder unauthorized users from endlessly guessing your password. This previously mentioned attack, known as a brute force attack, is more common than you might think. The policy works very simply. After a set number of incorrect login attempts, the account gets locked. It remains inaccessible for a set period of time or until an admin steps in to unlock it. This strategy not only stops hackers in their tracks, but also signals to users and administrators about possible unauthorized access attempts. All these password policies play a role in guiding users to set and maintain secure passwords. However, there are additional practices that further enhance our digital security. Firstly, it's important to avoid using the same password across multiple accounts. This huge mistake is known as password reuse. If you reuse the same password everywhere and it gets compromised, all your accounts become vulnerable. Ensure every account has its own distinct password for optimal protection. For those juggling numerous accounts, a password manager can be a lifesaver. It's challenging to remember countless complex passwords. A password manager acts as a secure digital vault, storing and even autofilling your passwords for you, making sure your credentials are organized, secure, and readily available when needed. Lastly, I have an important note for password administrators. When users need to reset their passwords, always prioritize verifying their identity, using multiple verification methods if possible. After confirming their identity, assist them in the reset process, highlighting the need to establish a strong and unique new password. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.